Just popped into the Motley Hotel in Richmond. Absolutely stunning art house hotel we've worked on, and I'm going to show you the private dining room space that we've been working on, which is soon to open. So let me take you through. How cool is this? Really cool. So beautiful table with the archways, sort of fresco, Palms Fresco wallpaper through here. And we've matched that up so that the lighting sort of fits perfectly in those archways. Really beautiful. So if I take you closer, we've got sort of a concretey sort of fresco look, really beautiful. A couple of palms in there, but just subtle. And then those beautiful hand-sketched Roman arches. So it's a pretty stunning wallpaper, a really beautiful feature in this room, coupled with all this beautiful furniture as well. Those beautiful sort of mid-century chairs. We've got that amazing parquetry floor, some beautiful joinery there. How cool is this little nook with this beautiful velvet here and that beautiful brass lamp. What a great little reading nook there. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. It's a stunning room. Really great to be working on it with the team here at the Motley. So it'll be opening really soon, so you have to check it out for yourself and have a beautiful private dinner in this beautiful private room right in the heart of Richmond. So hope you enjoyed the tour and talk to you soon.